Alright, so here is a brand new ACIQ, I guess. Basically a carrier Sentry. It's a straight cool air conditioner with a POS LG scroll in it. And it replaced one of those Luxairs. Well, Frazer Johnston. Same thing. So yeah, this replaced one of those. This has all those and all those over there. So I filmed at this place. Whoop. Filmed at this place, I think once or twice. But yeah, here's this new unit. Crappy Broad Ocean fan motor. It's 2024 2-ton. And there's that big motherfucker right there. Must be a recent install. So yep, new carrier Sentry. Thanks for watching.